So this is, you can see, this is a symbol, or this is a satellite I created in Microsoft Word. So in my Windows computer, after opening the Microsoft Word, I creating this satellite symbol. For or typing this symbol, you must use this keyboard shortcut, that is Alt 128752. That is the keyboard shortcut we used for creating this satellite symbol. Alt 128752. Okay, I'll show you how to create this symbol. For doing this, you must go to your computer keyboard, and this keyboard you must first turn on the number lock. Now you can see that the number lock is enabled. Now you must press and hold this Alt key. Do not remove your finger from this Alt key. At the same time, you must type here 128752. After typing that, you can release your finger from this Alt key. So you can see that the symbol, satellite symbol, have been added. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.